We shall create a new dictionary of stock items, save it, append it, and read using JSON format. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It is a lightweight format for storing and transporting data. We have printed different options to select from. To create a new dictionary, the user will select option as N. It will take the user to enter values for item's name and its price. The item's dictionary is updated by these entered values. Now, we open a new file with name of stock.json and use dump command to convert our Python dictionary to JSON dictionary format. The JSON file shows the saved values. We want to append our just created stock dictionary with some new items. We shall use else if command with option A. Important thing to remember here is that we would firstly open our existing dictionary in read mode to read the data so that the newly entered data is appended to it. We use load command to convert JSON dictionary format to Python dictionary format. Now, we enter some more items with their prices. Finally, we can open the stock file in read mode and get the prices for our saved items using JSON load command and dictionary slice function.